You've probably seen AI generated videos like this get over 160 million views. Creators like this are getting thousands and thousands of views without even making the content themselves. So I wanted to see if I could generate something like this myself and then teach you how to do it. From generating the prompts with ChatGPT to generating the images, and by the end, we got a full AI video. Since I'm partnering with AI video to make this, I'm gonna show you everything step by step and how easy it is, starting with step number 1, make a project. As you can see, I'm on aivideo.com and all we need to do is to click on get started. Now that we're on the inside, just click on the explore from scratch in the editor. Now we need to go to step number 2, generate the images. As you can see, just click on video here and then we need to select image. They have many different models that you can pick between, and one of my favorites is Flux V1.1. So I'm gonna click on that. Now, the most important part is the prompt. If you have a bad prompt, it doesn't work. If it's a good one, it will look amazing. An idea that I haven't seen before are puppies dressed as superheroes dancing. So that's what I want to try to make. So here is one of the prompts that I have, and we're actually going to recreate that. So we don't only have Spider-Man and Chihuahua, but the most popular superheroes and puppy type. If I click on generate, this is what we get. Just look at how cool that is. The problem is that we need 10 of these, so we're not gonna manually change it ourselves. So I'm gonna paste it into ChatGPT, and then I'm gonna put brackets around Spider-Man in his iconic red and blue suit, because we need to change that if it's Superman, for example. Chihuahua as well, we're gonna change to different breeds. Standing in the middle of New York City, we're also going to change that based on the character that we make. So I've added this prompt to basically make 10 different superheroes, as well as changing out the puppy and changing out the location, making sure that it's consistently daytime as well, and generate. Just like that, we got 10 prompts that we can copy and paste so we don't have to write them ourselves. Let's go back to AI video and paste it in here. Oh my God, that's so cute. Wonder Woman as well. I'm gonna keep generating until I get the full body so we can see their legs when we are gonna make them dance. Oh my. Why is this looking so bad or freaky? Yeah, that's more like it. Copy, paste. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we got Black Panther as well. My favorite, Thor with those crazy blue eyes. Deadpool as a beagle. The Flash as a corgi. Doctor Strange as a Pomeranian. Just look at his little suit. Of course, we got Chihuahua Spider-Man. Okay. That's a little bit better. This guy is like, please don't make me dance. But since we have generated all the images, it's time to go to step number 3, generate the video. As you can see, we can easily click on image, then we can click on image to video, and then we can drag any of our images right in here. This makes it super easy to generate. But the most important part is the prompt, and I tried many. The one that I liked the most was this. Camera, slow zoom out, character doing a Fortnite dance. The model I used to generate these was Kling 1.6. They know what a Fortnite dance is. There are some models that don't know what a Fortnite dance is. I'll also change the settings to 10 seconds and 2 generations. So I'll generate, go to my next favorite image, then generate once again, basically do them all at once. As you can see, now we just grab a coffee, do some stretches, and we are dancing. Just look at that. We got Batman as well, doing a little dance. Iron Man coming in hot. America, yeah. I'm having so much fun making this. Oh my god, look at that lighting as well. That's so cool. Now that we got all these incredible videos, it's time to go to step number 4, edit the video. I think we're gonna start with the cutest one first to grab attention. So this Spider-Man Chihuahua is crazy. Let's just drag it onto the timeline and keep going with other heroes as well. This Superman dance is just killing me. Hey, hey. Hey, and stop. Now that they're all in the timeline, we need to find some music to put over it that they can dance to. I'll search popular TikTok songs in Google and find a song that I like. It seems like this song right now is popping off 1 month ago, so I would use that, but because I'm making this video here on YouTube, it's gonna get copyright claimed, but this is what I would use if I would post on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. So I found this copyright-free one. I'm just gonna drag the audio in here and then we'll drag it onto the timeline. Now we need to match the beat to the video and the dancing so it looks like they're on beat. So now they're all timed on the timeline to fit perfectly with the beat, but I definitely want the drop to hit some mega dopamine. So I'll take all the clips, paste them again, and shorten their duration in half or even more to kind of snap in between different characters fast when the song drops. So we're almost finished. The last step is add the text. I usually do this in the TikTok editor. And for the first second, I would have puppies as superheroes. For the second, I would do puppy breed in the top. And then after about 3 or 4 seconds, the superhero name. This makes it almost a guessing game where the breed is revealed first. And then the superhero comes right after. And then we transition over to a new character. This keeps them hooked and engaged throughout the video. So I'm not going to do that right now because I'm on my computer and that happens on the phone. We've done all the steps from generating the images, adding soundtracks and text. So here is the final result. I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. I'm gonna dance, dance, dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna able to make a viral AI puppy video. Hopefully you got something out of this. Such a fun way to create content, and I can't wait to see what you are going to make. I'll leave a link to aivideo.com in the description down below. Go and knock yourself out. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.